So how do you set up the guided access on the iPad, and let's talk about it. And if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So on the iPad, it works like this. So you open up your settings app, and part of the accessibility section, you can find plenty of different things, right? So you have to scroll through all of that kind of stuff, but I want you to basically locate the guided access, which is entirely at the bottom part of the general section. So you can go there, and there are a few things you can change in here. So to set it up, make sure you enable it at the top, so the green toggle is supposed to be there. And there are also some other things in here to customize, like time limits or even locking it with the passcode if you prefer that. But the most important part, as you can tell, is the guided access toggle at the top, right? Then we also have the accessibility shortcut, which is also kind of important to have that set up because this is how you're actually going to trigger it. So anytime you want to set up or start using the guided access, you get inside of an application and you triple click the power/side button, right? It's the same thing. So you triple click it like this, and it's going to show you perhaps more things, depends on how you set it up, but there's going to be the guided access, and you can get in here, see some settings at the bottom as well, like you can disable some buttons or motion or some of the other things as well. But you click on start and the guided access is set up, meaning that you are not allowed to leave the app and you can only do what you just set up in here that is allowed to do. So I hope it makes sense. For some additional tutorials or videos like this one, subscribe so you do not miss anything important, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you then.